Hello guys, what's up? Here's Bayan. So in this video we're gonna show you how to install few blinds in few easy steps. This one is cordless. It is child safe, so just pull it, go up and stop right where you like it. By the end of this video you know how to install it. They are very easy to install. There's no secret about it, so I'm gonna just show you few pieces that came with it. Yes, is this a recording? We pick up the blind on Home Depot, and there they can cut on the size that you need. In this case here, they had the size of the blind closest to this open was 18 inches, and this one is 14.5 inches to fit good. So we had a gentleman there at Home Depot. They did a very good job for us. They cut perfect, and we're just gonna put it. I check it. It is just perfect fit, and the worker there was just great with us. We have this one in here. This is just a cup. We're just gonna push it in there. Done. And then we have this other one. Now what we're gonna do, it just goes right there. We'll do the same thing for both sides. No secret about it. And then we have this piece that is to hold the blind, and we have this one that is to open close it. More light come in. So let's work. The tools that I'm gonna use here, I'm just gonna try to use, like we have a measuring tape, right? If we need to measure something, we use just a drill. This is a dryer screw gun, but you can use a drill. Next step is to measure the distance. From this case, I'm just gonna put about 1 inch from the window. I just want it to keep it closer to the window. That way the window sill is a kind of wide, so we have the space to put something on top. This one came with the package. This one is the one we're gonna use, so you guys can see little bit bigger difference, as in this case we have a 1/2 inch dryer up there, and if we use this one we will be just a little bit hold on the wood, so we're just gonna use a long screws. In this case it's just the wood behind, but if you use a long screws, just gotta be careful with wires and things if you have wire and another pipe behind. Okay, let's get this done, man. We could be a little bit farther here, but I just want it closer to the window. The window this size, we just have two of them, two holders. If the window is wider, we'd have maybe 3 or 4. We're gonna check next window to see how they work, and we'll show you guys. Like you can see here, these guys have a few hooks in there. The way it goes, just that way you guys know. It's gonna clip right there, so you can hear the click. And if you want to remove it, once I put it, this one is not hold, and then you can hear a little click. When you put it, it's just locking right there, see? Okay, so if you want to move it, just do like that, and blind is out again. Very easy. Okay. Hello, the blind is on and we just need to put this piece, and let's see how it works. Just a little bit different from the last one that I did. So let's try it. Wow. Looks to be everything is working like it's supposed to be. Okay, there we go. Looking good. The blind looks good. Let's move to the next one. Like you guys can see, the belly is about 4 times big as the other one. This part they are the same. Let's fit it in. Okay, so we're gonna install this piece. The blind holder, right? Okay, this blind is longer than the last one. So it came with 3 of those holders. This is why we have to put one on the center, because the weight. Yes, the reason that I put it a little bit away, about 1 inch, is because you can see this part of the window to open and close the window is a little bit out, so don't put it too tight. Just give a space. If you like, you could put this way, a little bit this way. If you have like to put plants and stuff behind, that way you have a lot of light for the plants. But in this case, we're not set up for plants. This is just gonna be a rental unit, so we don't want to have so much stuff here and get the wood rotten. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna do about 1 inch away from the window. That's how we go. I'm just put a couple inch away from the corner, because like you can see here on the blind, if you put too close, a little bit hard to fit, so you need at least a little bit of distance from the corner. Usually we put one right on the center, but before you put on the center, good idea to measure it. We choose the center, so we cannot install the holding there. We have to move it a little bit this way, maybe 34, but I would go with 30, and I don't want to get too close to this element in here. You can see some more stuff here, so I would stay this side. This side I have nothing on my way, so I would say I put it about on 30 inches. 30 inches from there, and go right there. Again, I'm just use a long screw. We're just gonna fit right on this hook. You see here the hook goes in here. We're just gonna put it. Once we have this part in and in, we just push it against the window. Yeah, just gonna hook here on the blind. See this? Right there. And then we're just gonna push it against the window. So now we have the top part in. So all you have to do is push it that way. Push it that way. And we get it in. Now let's see how this guy works. Up and down. Looks to be working great, like you guys can see. last step would be to just push this guy in, and but before I put it in, because this wind is smaller, I'm gonna make a cut right there. See, about this side. So I cut about, say, 19.5 inches, that way this part stay right inside the window. Okay, be back on a second. Done, and then what I'm gonna do with this, I'm just gonna sand it out a little bit. It is good as new. Sand it around, that way it's not sharp. Nobody can get hurt on it. And let's go back to work. We're back in here. So we cut it out the side, that way we don't make a mess inside. If we don't make mess, we just don't have to clean it up. So nice and easy. Let's just stuff this in. Yeah. Blind is working good. There you go. You just can lift it, bring it down halfway, go up as you like. So this, I like the system. You don't have the string, so this is just perfect. So this is really nice. Thank you guys for watching. This would help you guys to install the blind. This few easy step. See you next video, and thank you for your support. Just if you like this video, subscribe, that we're gonna have a great content coming up. Just keep you guys open for the next video, and there you go. Thank you again, and see you next video. Yeah, man. See you soon.